Hey guys, welcome back to Gadgetable. So this is my friend's knife. I'm borrowing it from him and I'm going to repair it for him a little bit. He's got tons and tons of rust spots on here. You can hear how awful that pivot is. So he's had this for years. He's never washed it, never cleaned it, never done any kind of maintenance on it. I don't think he's ever sent it in to Spyderco to have it repaired at all. You can see the junk and dirt and grime in there. So this is not your typical repair video. Okay, so I'm not just going to show you how to disassemble it and reassemble it. You can watch tons and tons and tons of other videos on YouTube about that. This is going to be more of a, I guess, sort of a high-end maintenance. So I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to give it like a really premium feel, at least as premium as you can for this type of knife. So we're going to sand some things. We're going to probably redo the G10 because it kind of looks black right now, but it's kind of actually more of a gray, like in real life here. The Spidey hole here is kind of sharp actually still, despite him having it for years. It drives me crazy. So I'm going to sand that for him a tiny bit, clean up those edges. The back here, we're probably going to sand that a tiny bit too. Just a tiny bit. So I'm going to take this apart. We'll see how dirty it is on the inside. And go from there. All right, guys, here we go.